From deep inside our schools all the way up to the rooftops, hey, our maintenance team does so much day in and day out to make sure that our schools are operating very smoothly on a daily basis.
It's a raw day today.
Oh man, there he goes. For maintenance supervisor Mitch Fox and his team, their days start very early, 6 a.m. to be exact. That's about the same time that Mitch's phone starts getting messages.
Hey, how often is your phone ding a day?
About every 20 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
Work orders spanning across every corner of the district will come in, and it's these guys that answer the call to every one of them, thousands upon thousands in a given school year. Just a typical day for your team, what does that look like?
It could be anything. We work on everything from the sewer lines to the roofs, everything in between. We could be moving things from classrooms, we could be moving things to other buildings. Today, I've got 2 guys out running a box truck delivering backpacks for the Family Resource Center. So, I mean, we're 12 men in a truck and we do whatever needs to be done.
Some jobs are big. Water coming out of concrete near the cafeteria area. And some jobs are routine maintenance.
So where are we off to now?
Got some work orders to fill.
Where are these work orders mostly going to today?
All around the county. We're going to go to W.A. Wright, we're going to go to Rutland, we're going to get some stuff done.
These employees know how to keep things running smoothly, but as you can imagine, some days are very difficult.
We could get anywhere from 50 to 250 work orders a day. It's all over the place. It depends on the weather, what time of year it is, how much is going on in the schools. You know, like 2 weeks ago, it was quiet. Everybody's looking towards spring break, getting out of here, not much happening. Now we're back, it's cold. We've had several work orders this morning for heat.
But if you ask them what motivates them, it's the teachers, the administrators, and of course, our students.
Just making sure everything's, working right and everything like that. Make sure they have a stress-free day so they can focus on, teaching the kids and getting everything done.
Helping our schools stay comfortable and running smoothly is what they do on a daily basis. But it is a labor of love. They truly care.
You're talking about a fresh air system like this, and when you're doing something to help students and teachers and administrators to enjoy a comfortable school day, how does that make you feel?
Blessed.
Blessed?
Yeah.
You really enjoy doing this, don't you?
I love doing it.
You love
I love it. Yeah.
Heat, cold, rooftops, it doesn't matter. You're up here checking these things, aren't you?
Bring it on.
Bring it on.
I'm ready.
You're ready. We appreciate you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
From severe weather damage to just making sure the thermostats are set correctly, our district's maintenance team are running their trucks every day to get to that next work order, to help a teacher, to help a student, to help whoever needs it. And y'all's job is certainly not just a 10-month, a year thing. There's stuff going on all around the year.
We're 14 months a year. Yeah.
14 months. You probably feel like you need those 2 extra months.
Yep, we do. So,
yeah.
And I've got a good bunch of guys. They love what they do. Some days are easy. Some days we're here 24 hours. Those are few and far between.
Yeah.
But when the tornado hit, my guys were here. Done whatever we needed to do, whatever they got asked to do, they took care of it.
So to our district's maintenance team, we say thank you for all that you do. And if you're someone who's possibly interested in joining the team, there are a few spots available. So reach out and make a huge and rewarding impact in this community. I mean, there's no job too big or too small that really you guys get your hands on, right?
No, I have somebody in the department that can handle anything that comes up. They may not be an expert at it, but they've dealt with it and know how to handle it. We try to keep as much in-house as we can. If it's going to develop where it needs large equipment, we have to contract that out because we don't have the equipment. And we've got I've got a Bobcat, we got a dump trailer, pickup trucks, very basic on equipment. But we don't shy away from anything.
You guys have a great day, and thank you for all you guys do.
You too, bud.
I'm Bart Barker with Wilson County Schools.